Hello friends, welcome to Trending Tube. I hope you all are doing great. Today we don't have a specific product with us to review, but it's a set of product which could help you to enhance your gaming experience. Whether you prefer a sleek and modern look or a cozy and rustic vibe, IKEA gaming room ideas will help you create a ultimate gaming sanctuary. IKEA has various solutions tapping into the needs and the wishes of gaming community. In this setup, IKEA has used various products that offer better ergonomic help to gamers to excel the gaming experience. Some of the gaming furniture include here are the gaming desks, gaming chairs and gaming accessories. One of the most important part of a gaming setup is a gaming chair. IKEA designs the best gaming chair to help you forget where you are seated. No matter what level you are on, IKEA has a gaming chair for you. The IKEA gaming chairs keep you well supported that you can immerse yourself in gameplay for long hours without feeling any discomfort. If gaming is your passion, then you can have a look into the wide varieties of accessories provided by IKEA and pick up the best that suits you. I hope you like this video. Do like, comment and subscribe to watch more video like this. See you next time. Thank you.